Hello everyone, I'm making berry muffins. First you need applesauce, milk, and eggs. And then you will stir, but make sure you have thin flour. And then you add your applesauce, milk, and eggs. And after, you stir with a fork. And we're pouring in the berries. Okay, bye. Hello everyone. Again, we are putting all of the stuff inside the thing, and then we're putting all the ingredients for berry muffins into the flour. Now we're going to bake it inside the oven. After we mix it really good. This is how you make berry muffins. Would you like to try one?